Alright, this will be an elevator tour of Great Wolf Lodge. We got the center elevators. Center elevators are 2-speed doors and it's glass. And the side elevator, there are elevators on the east. Well, yeah, and on the west. So let's ride the center ones too. First. Excuse me. Here's the water park. There's all sides. It's all closed. I think this one is coming up. It should be. It's kind of dark in this floor. Looks like this always just arrived. If there's any people in it, I'll point the camera away. I'll cover it with my hand. Alright, nobody's in, so we're good. It's a nice little elevator. I remember back in the summer of 2015, I rode this with my cousins. You can barely get a view on a certain side. Here's the arcade. I'll film about arcade in my hotel tour video. That's right, interesting. And it's actually up there. Let's go back up to 4. Let's go back down to 1. Hi. Again, there's the arcade. Uh-oh. There's bowling over there, but... Uh-oh. Wait, may I just push the button? Uh-oh. Hope it doesn't open. Alright. I think they're having a play over there. Let's watch the doors open. Nice little golden door. And some signs on each side. It used to say 10 Paw Bowling, but they changed it for the holidays. There goes in. Let's go ahead and ride the side elevators. We'll start off with the east side. We're walking to a long little trip. You see all the... You know, if this treasure chest doesn't open, this, I don't know what does. A book. I can't read it. There's the MPE. Vending machine. Oh, I can't go in there on this side. On this floor. I'll try to do it on the west side. We're almost there. Just straight ahead. Just a few miles away. Which I've been to the arcade recently. It's my ballpoint car. Anyway, we're in the elevator. This is the side door. This ain't a service elevator. Double. Surely. You notice the floor indicator beep is a little different than the center ones. And it's not a glass elevator. Conference there. Long and a large door. See if we get the bell going. I guess it didn't ding. Oh well. This is elevator number 3. 3. There's the floor indicator. Vertical systems. Elevator. It sounds like somebody's knocking on the door. The bell didn't ding again. Large wood fire grill. Open for lunch and dinner. Located on level 2, which level 2 is actually the lobby level. Main lobby level. If you know what I mean. So watch the button go out. The button went out before the door opened. Again, a large door. I hear people talking. Fire operation. No smoking, which I don't smoke. Cause where you smoke, there's over 7,000 chemicals coming for you. So I don't want to risk of getting cancer. Anyways, let's watch the door close. Sorry, just clear my throat. Now let's go right to the west elevator. Another long walk. That's my key. I had a lot of fun memories when staying at a hotel. This hotel, you know, it's called Lodge. I had a lot of fun memories when staying in this lodge back in the summer. Staying here today connects me to the memories. Uh-oh. There are kids over there. Let's point the camera away. I am pointing the camera down.
Cool! You discovered 200 gold!
I don't give a crap if I discover 200 gold.
There's light in the dark. It lies in your
A little
heart.
play down there. Those are animatronics. There's the center elevators we just rode a couple of minutes ago. Dragon. Nice little lamp. Book of Stairs. Oh, actually. No. I'm not getting risked getting electrocuted by that book.
Don't be afraid. Look all around you. This place is great.
I don't think you can rise it. Let's see if the vending machine works on this side. I believe this is a compass. Whoa, a dragon. The only way I can get in the vending machine is by using this key right here. Hopefully it won't be out or on this side. Good. Coke. Let's get it in there. The lights on it. Vending machine. We got Coke, Coke Zero, Diet Coke, which I'm not gonna drink that because that's aspartame. Aspartame equals chemicals. Anyway, let me finish off naming it. Sprite, Coca-Cola Cherry, Melio, and I cannot pronounce it, but it's water. Diet Coke is not only that, every soda that's diet except L8, except Diet L8, has aspartame. The only diet soda that does not have aspartame is L8 because I think it's sugarlose, which is good. Let me repeat that again. Sugarlose. We got extra long hallway. Wish I'll get to that after we ride the elevator. Goodness, it's 9:03 at night. It's like 9:03 at night and I'm filming the elevators. Not only that, I can do a hotel tour after I film it. Oh, look at that side. Anyway, here we are on the west side. Now we have to wait because it's on 2. Another vending machine. Oh, fall. Uh-oh. Skin. Let's go one. That doesn't sound good. Here we go. Let's look at this sign. The Great Wolf Kids Clubhouse Crew. I don't want to join that. It will be boring for me. I don't know about the other people out there. See if we get the bell ringing. Start pushing the call button. Double. There we go. Now we got the bell ringing. Nice motor startup. We're getting no smoking. 4. Let's go in here again since I didn't get enough time. Now that I have time, here's the snack machine. It's not only a snack. I got my MP3 player good. Sandisk. My battery really is drained. You know, it was off the whole time. I wonder what's happening. Scan wristband. Oh! E6. Allen 10. Yeah. I don't feel like paying right now. Plus I don't want to get in trouble. Since I just really had a snack. Ba-da-doo. Here's a view. I don't know how to get to the conference center side. I just have no idea. I think this is just a dead end. I thought there would be another elevator back here, but there wasn't. Another MP. You can't get very much of a view. I'm not sure if you're able to see us, but there's Kings Island. It's just that Eiffel Tower. It's hard to see from the window. Let's take the MPE down one floor. Anyway, that's pretty much it.